We're transforming the next unit's kitchen and the cabinets are next.
So we're getting ready to transfer this cabinet right here from this color to white. First step we're gonna do, take some sandpaper and we're gonna sand down this, you know what I'm saying, just to scuff up this finish that's on here because it's already like a polyurethane finish on here. So we're gonna sand that down so the paint actually gonna be able to stick. And then same with these doors. We actually bought this cabinet from a warehouse and it was actually 75 bucks. But guess what? I ended up getting it for like 20 bucks for real. Because it had a little water damage and I was able to reinforce it. It really wasn't that bad water damage, but I just reinforced it with some more finish nails, make sure everything was nice and solid. But we're gonna sand these doors down. This sanding block that I got is actually a Diablo. I got a different sanding piece of paper on there though, but as you can see, one side is like hard and this other side right here is like mushy. So what the mushy side do, it'll let you get into grooves like this and be able to actually sand it. You know, the stiff side really not gonna do that. It's just gonna be heavy sanded on one side. So you know, that flexible side let me do that. So I'll be mask up. Make sure you got a mask on. Make sure you don't breathe in none of this crap. I'm actually going to use my Milwaukee foam sander because it's going to be a whole lot quicker than using just the hand scraper. The hand sander. So as you can see, I already pretty much started here. I'm using 100 grit sandpaper. So it's still smooth, but it's just getting that finish off of there nicely. I'm gonna finish sanding this boy up. Try to get it down bare like so, and then get that boy painted white.
You can follow them because I'm going the other way. Chasing after paper, trying to redirect the way. I'll just make my own while y'all trying to follow ways. Bet it make her scream when them dreams ain't far away. Think she in a dream and you can see it on her face. Seen that money stream, now baby, that's my type of way. Going after goals, I ain't got no time to waste. City getting sticky, but I still keep the pace. Niggas tryna beat me when I never called the race. Thought it was real love, turned out the shit was fake. Can't fuck up my motion. Cruise, now we coasting. Make my own wave like a boat that's in the ocean. Get took by the tide, but you gotta stay focused. Losing the track of time, I leave your ass wide open.
So sanding these joints definitely transformed it. So what I'm about to do now is hit it with my microfiber. Make sure all of the fine dust is off of there. Then throw some fresh white paint up on these joints. Then hang it up. So I'm about to get to doing that.
She passed to the master, it's the kid that did, the one that didn't. The reason why the sauce word was written. Ooh-wee, splash, drip, sauce walker, TSS business. You know what I'm saying? The preacher, the teacher. You know what I mean?
On the mission, hustling, trying to get it. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. My daughter needs tuition or a new family business. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. These people won't get it. Making designer rich. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. I don't see competition. I just see tunnel vision. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. In the basement with my daughter on my lap, writing raps, trying to figure how to come up with a stack. But I know I just need to strap these tools up on my back. That slow though, how I'ma make a milli doing that? But I just gotta stick to the flow and get my own. Ever since a youngin', me and baby on our own. Turned 19, we was in our own. That's on. Learn from the best, so jump up on it, but blowing, dipping through the traffic on my way to see my mama. Gotta make sure I ain't lacking, cause these niggas thirsty, try to rob you for your taxes until you open flame and leave them there in traffic. This tragic, but I'm on the mission, hustling, trying to get it. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. My daughter needs tuition or a new family business. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. These people won't get it. Making designer rich. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. I don't see competition. I just see tunnel vision. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. All day long I'm hustling, tryna feed my family. Without them I ain't nothing. But watch all fam, cause some you can't trust some. Man, I got some stories that'll make you start cussing. But really, I'm just trying to make a milli though. I dropped out of college, but got the same job I was schooling for. Man, that shit is crazy, need my refund, yeah, my moolah. I just need my bread back to put it in the studio.
For the other kitchen cabinets, we headed to the store to get some unfinished ones. This was a way for us to get the white cabinets we want, but still be able to save since we were going to paint them on our own.
Where is your glove?
And I'm gone, but I'm on the mission, hustling, trying to get it. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. My daughter needs tuition for a new family business. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it.